The Horn Point Laboratory would like to invite you to our annual open house, Saturday, October the 12th from 11 to 4. It's free and it's really fun for all ages, from children in strollers to bring your neighbors, grandparents, friends, whole families. So this year's theme is to dive into science and see the Bay the Horn Point way. All of our faculty are on deck with great displays and easy to understand science about the Bay. You can go to our boat basin to see the Rachel Carson, the largest research vessel on the Bay. And while you're down there, visit our oyster demonstration farm and learn how to grow oysters in the Bay. You can fly a drone over a virtual Chesapeake Bay. You can play in a sandbox and create shorelines and see how the weather changes the shorelines. And one thing you can't miss is our prehistoric surgeon that go all the way back to the Jurassic period. While you're in the building, you could visit the largest oyster hatchery on the East Coast and see how we're restoring oysters in the Bay. So please come out and join us. It's free, 11 to 4 on Saturday, October the 12th. We look forward to seeing you at Horn Point.
Dive into science. See the Bay the Horn Point way.